So what do you understand by the term pattern? Kibuza, what do you understand by the pattern? Forget about yeah.
It's a derivative of machine learning, which classifies the object into a number of category or class.
Yeah, that is the correct textual
It is an act of
Okay. Yeah, that definition is the correct textual definition. But I want in your common day, you used to speak like pattern, like that. Examination pattern change, we say the pattern of the examination change. You used to speak like that or not? So what is
Yes,
that?
sir.
What
Yes,
is,
sir.
yeah, what is that pattern?
Human-made design.
Human-made design.
Sir, a design that depicts some ideas.
About a design regarding about this. Okay.
That which is repeating for some certain period of time.
Well,
It is repeated in a regular way.
A kind of structure format.
a kind of structure.
सर डेट रिपीट करने वाला कोई चीज पैटर्न होता है
Yes, is specifically.
सर डे टू डे अगर कोई कुछ काम रिपीट करे बार बार हर चीज को उसको बोल सकते हैं जैसे कि कोई एग्जाम दे रहे फॉर एग्जांपल जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं पता होता है ना ये रिपीट होगा फिर से सो दैट इज पैटर्न काइंड ऑफ
Okay.
जो
Yeah.
चीज हर समय होते रहे एक ही का मतलब ऐसे खाना खाते हैं 2 बजे हम ऐसे खाना खाता 2 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करता 10 बजे हमेशा वही पैटर्न चलते रहता है मेरा हमेशा तो उसी को पैटर्न बोलेंगे जो काम रिपीटेड होते रहे
Okay. That I think I want to add some sequence actually. What you mean?
sequence is repeated day by day.
Yeah. Some repeated sequence. Okay. You know that this sequence will be repeated tomorrow also.
Tomorrow also.
Okay, that is also correct. And yeah, if anyone wants to try, then please. See, it's chat option you can use, no problem. But if you speak, then that will be better. If no means network problem is there, you can speak. Someone says, like Bandita said that. No, Himanta said that mobile pattern. I don't get it. What is mobile pattern? Himanto? Mobile pattern মানে তুমি কি বুঝাব বিচাৰিছা?
Human made pattern. Security purpose.
Oh,
Security pattern की.
Good.
Security pattern की बात कर रहा है पिन की.
अच्छा तब ठीक है. ठीक है, very good. तो वो actually आपका जो ये security lock के बात कर रहे हो आप मोबाइल. Okay.
मेरा व्यू से वही है सच.
Okay. Otherwise mobile pattern. A very good example, no doubt. Then Vandan said that exam pattern. Yeah, that is also correct because this time you have seen, or I think you because the final semester exams are conducted. So whole the pattern has been said. So I can suppose that overall all of you know the pattern mane ki. What is pattern, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, very good. Sir. So then let's come to the textual definition of pattern. Pattern is everything around in this digital world. Now see, now I am using the term digital because the pattern that we are going to delete, that will be of course digital one. Okay, so a pattern can either be seen physically or it can be observed mathematically by applying some algorithms. Okay, so it's like you have given the examples of design. Actually, that should be what the colors on the clothes. Again, speech pattern is also important. The way I speak, that will be different from you. Okay, that will be different from how you speak. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they are very good examples. Speech pattern is different. Then colors of the clothes, and then in the clothes itself, embroidery. Okay, so that will be a different specific design. Okay, that is also a pattern. But in our computer science, we'll take the help of vector features to represent that pattern. You know that in our computer science, all these things are nothing but 0 and 1, right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So actually, they will be known as vector features values. And by the term vector, I want to tell you something. Vector is, anyone knows about the vector? Okay, no problem. Vector
No,
mane hoise, suppose again see Biswa Gogoi entered the waiting room. মই এতিয়া এডমিট কৰি থাকোতে যাবগে wait next class please কৈ দিবা please in the WhatsApp group leave a message that don't enter after 10 minutes, okay? I hope you can also see this message in front of you, right? A message to sobe dekha pai asa. Okay, so vector means that point which has a value as well as a direction. Direction means what? Suppose you want to move north side, you want to move south side, you want to move east side, you want to move what? West side. That is direction, right? But while moving towards that direction, then you will go through with some speed. So that is also a value, and the direction you are also considering. So overall, they are a vector. They are vectors. So vector point clear to you? Then what is features?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about that. I'll discuss it. So just note down this definition that in computer science, a pattern is represented using vector features values, right? Now, some examples of patterns that I want to show you for some diagrams. Look at the diagram. Dekha paisa? So these are kind of molecular or atomic patterns. I hope you all know about some basics up to chemistry, organic chemistry, atoms, molecules.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, in chemistry, in the research of chemistry means you know, material science, there is a subject. Okay. Most of the research going on there, but in there also I have seen, because one of my roommate in my hostel, he was working in that material science field. Okay, and the task of his research work is to produce some different atoms, different means molecules. Sorry. So how they do that? They go through combining some other molecules. Okay. With the possible combination, means different properties you need to consider, like temperature, then atomic value, like that. And then they form some different new molecules. Okay. Currently, he is in Shanghai University, China. Okay. So he was a very good research scholar in his field. So when I see his representation of his research work in computer, means in some simulation software, there is nothing but this type of shape structures coming. When you change the structure, automatically it comes into a new shape if all the properties are matched. So what I mean to say that in that material science portion also, this portion of computer science works, this pattern recognition works. They are doing nothing, but they are trying to match the pattern by combining different. Got my point? So that is also one application of pattern recognition. So one more example you see. Can you see these pictures? Dekha paisa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope maximum of you guys used to play games, video games. There you will see different structures. So basically they are nothing but some patterns. This type of structures I know that you have seen in that games, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically those graphic designs are nothing but some separate special patterns. Similarly, look at this picture. Can you see this dot?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
if I remove this dot
Yes, sir.
from this figure, then this figure and that figure without that dot will be different, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so with a simple difference, the overall whole object will give you a different, totally different meaning. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
so these are the different patterns, and they because to detect the exact pattern in science or in any engineering field is very important, because if you consider a different pattern, your whole design is going to be work in a different way. You are not going to get the correct output. Similarly, you can see this one also. Dekha paisa?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what type of
Sir.
pattern this is, or from what field I have chosen this pattern? কিহৰ পৰা এই পিকচাৰটো আহিছে গোটেই দেখিছা তোমালোকে, কিহৰ হ'ব পাৰে, whatever it is?
Sir, liquid.
Okay, partially correct guess. আৰু try কৰা.
Dot chill.
Okay, আৰু
Tiger pattern.
Yeah, কি ক'লা?
The tiger pattern.
Tiger pattern. Okay. Any more guess? Well, I leave it to you. You can take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot, and in the next class you will tell me. Okay. হ'ব পাৰিবা? এবাৰ অলপ ভাবিবা এইটো কিহৰ হ'ব পাৰে. Now, in our computer vision also, we try to do some several pattern recognition work like this one. এতিয়া একো বুজি নাপাবা, don't worry, but when the class will be going on, then you will understand that what I try to mean through these diagrams. Clear? বুজি পাইছা?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Etia, don't stress your mind, because now just see that these are the different patterns actually. Okay. So when you try to learn these things, when you gradually go through these classes, you will understand it, what I try to mean. Okay, these are the different examples. This one is also one more example. Okay, from computer vision, pattern recognition. So overall, I hope now, up to now, you got it, what is pattern. Okay, now I come to the second part, that is what is pattern recognition. Pattern mane buji pala, you have got that what is pattern. Then you have to know that what is pattern recognition. From the term, it is clear that we try to recognize some pattern, we try to identify some pattern, right? Through some algorithmic way. With the help of computer, if we try to automatically identify or recognize some pattern, then that is known as pattern recognition. First definition, see, pattern recognition is the process of recognizing patterns by using machine learning algorithm. Clear? So machine learning mane ki? What is machine learning, or everything I have discussed in my machine learning class, okay, and in my artificial intelligence class. So, and again you have DWDM, there also I will discuss some part. So overall, this definition is with respect to machine learning. Kobole ki bisarisu moi, machine learning algorithmor joriote ami pattern jodi recognize koru. With the help of machine learning algorithms, if we try to recognize the pattern, then that process is known as pattern recognition. Got it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then one more generalized definition. Pattern recognition can be defined as the classification of data based on knowledge already gained or on statistical information expected from patterns or their representation. So you can take a screenshot of this definition, because this is the general one. So a definition to bhalke soa. Pattern recognition can be defined as the classification of data. What is data? I hope up to now you all got it. বুজি পালা সবে data মানে কি?
Yes, sir.
In the last class, there was a very good discussion about unstructured data, right? So you also know that what is
Yes.
structured data and what is unstructured data. Okay, so what this definition tries to tell you that pattern recognition মানে হৈছে we try to classify that data, and when we try to classify that data, we already have some knowledge base regarding that data. আমি সেই ডাটাৰ বিষয়ে already জানো, we already have some knowledge regarding that data, and based on that knowledge we try to classify that data. And knowledge means what? When what is classification will define. So, and also statistical information extracted from patterns. And for every pattern you can extract some features. মই অলপ আগতে কৈছিলো feature মানে কি হ'ব পাৰে. So statistical information extracted from patterns or their representation. So with the help of those statistical information or the classification knowledge, you can recognize that, yeah, this pattern is for that particular object. Like suppose dog or cat. Etu hoise dog, etu hoise cat. Okay, this is a dog, this is a cat. So how you identify that? Either you know some features of the cats. Yeah, cat has this type of eyes, cat has this type of these things. Okay, so dog has some different features. So with the help of those features, you can identify one new object as a dog or cat, right? So that is pattern recognition. That is the generalized definition. Is this definition clear to you? বুজি পালা সবে কোৱা?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This
Yes, sir.
subject, I want to tell you this, although this is a complicated subject, no doubt, because this is a research level subject, okay, but I will try my best to make it or present to you in the easiest way possible. Jodi kiba buji nopua sudhi jaba. Okay, now, so I hope this definition is clear to you. Do one thing, you can put your attendance in the chat box right now. Okay, now example, I already told you that tumar voice, tumar speech, your speech and my speech, different or not? So if two voices you listen, A to Dibosar free speech, A to Belegor speech. Okay, you can recognize it? Can you recognize it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
is,
sir.
that is the speech recognition. Okay, similarly, same to same, we have speaker identification. Then we have multimedia document recognition, just like Joeta and Kashyap, they want to do some project. Okay, on suppose vehicles number plate detection, who is violating some traffic rules. Ami ki korisu? Ami matro ki korisu number plate to. Okay, CCTV G2 record hold. We try to capture that number plate. We try to convert that image into some textual form, means that number from image to some particular pattern. We try to first convert and then we try to recognize, yeah, this is the pattern. Suppose this is AS03 like that. Got it? So that is nothing but our multimedia document recognition. Then we have automatic medical diagnosis. You know, tumor detection, brain tumor detection. Doctors, what they do actually, they just see the test report and they just prescribe some medicine. But ultimately, the medical diagnosis process is going through some medical imaging process like MRI. So automatic diagnosis, medical diagnosis process means what? After diagnosing the report, okay, after going through the report, it will automatically diagnose, yeah, this is the cancerous tumor or this is not a cancerous tumor. Accordingly, some medicines will be prescribed. So this kind of example comes under automatic medical diagnosis process. Itu buji pala?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
we have,
sir.
okay, good. Then we have crop disease detection. Crop disease detection, mane suppose all of agote, in few days back, I have given one speech on artificial intelligence applications. I think some of you have attended that. So there I told you that suppose etukura field, potharot, in a crop field, what happens? Out of 100 plants, 2 or 3 has been suffering from some disease. Just consider it, okay? So if you first of all detect that these are the crops, these are the say plants who's been suffering from some disease, and you particularly spray some medicine, okay, means some pesticides to that particular plants, then what would happen? That will save a lot of resources. You don't need to spray throughout the crop field. You just need to detect those plants, okay, those plants which are suffering from some disease, and you then spray there only. মই ক'ব এইটো বিচাৰিছো এখন পথাৰত তোমাৰ 100 জোপা পুলিৰ ভিতৰত 2টা পুলি ডিজিজ হৈছে. First of all, তোমালোকে সেই দুটা পুলি ডিটেক্ট কৰা. First of all, you detect those two plants and then spray medical যিটো স্প্ৰে কৰিব বিচাৰে তাত কৰা. সেইটোৱে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব? তোমাৰ ৰিসোৰ্স বচাব. You will save a lot of resources. You don't need to waste a lot of pesticides medicines by spraying throughout the whole field, right? Buji paisa? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
that is one application of this pattern recognition, that is crop disease detection. So these are the examples of pattern recognition. I hope all these examples are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So this type of responses I have one actually. And one more homework for you. You try to find out some other examples of pattern recognition. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next thing, pattern recognition as a domain. Yeah, a figure to draw. Look at this figure. You see, this is pet. So, you all know Venn diagrams of the kind of things or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
you will look at this figure, you will see that this is pattern recognition, this particular shape. So see, there are different fields with which this pattern recognition passes. Passes means what? It has some common. Okay. And this common means what? It is trying to take the help of some other fields to perform that pattern recognition tasks. Now look at this figure and you tell me which particular field is contributing more towards pattern recognition.
Statistics.
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 Very good. Very good.
Statistics.
So overall, I want to tell you, I already told you many times in my previous classes that computer science exists because of only mathematics and statistics. So this pattern recognition, you don't need to learn a lot about pattern statistics, but actually we are using some statistics rules. And statistics are being used in our data mining KDD process, in neurocomputing. I know that today's deep learning. Have you heard about this deep learning? Unisa, deep learning bula bostu eta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that is neural network. Then we have artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? I have already taken your classes on artificial intelligence. Then machine learning. So overall, all these fields contributes towards pattern recognition. So that is the pattern recognition as a domain. Someone may ask you that whether pattern recognition is a different or separate discipline. No, it is a combination of several other fields like statistics, data mining, neurocomputing, or you can say neural network, artificial intelligence, machine learning, KDD. Okay, so I hope this figure is clear to all of you. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, then next thing you need to know what happens exactly in pattern recognition in brief. In a typical pattern recognition application, the raw data is processed and converted into a form that is amenable for a machine to use. Okay, so in my DBMS class, I know that I have taken DBMS class for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At that time, I told you that data, information, knowledge, right? They have
Yes, sir.
some difference among them. This is very important, and I told you at that time also that this difference or this information you will need throughout your CS career. Okay, so now I am telling you that in the typical pattern recognition application, what happens? First, we'll take raw data. Raw data means anything, any fact. Suppose you visit one particular website, and that website, with the help of cookies, store your information. Okay, so store your information, your age group means suppose you are from 20 to 25, suppose you male, female, or this type of information that will stored through cookies. So that facts are also data, right? But they are raw data. Raw data is the first step. Okay, when raw data is processed, then that becomes what? Can you tell me?
Information.
Very good, very good. Okay. When raw data is processed, then only that becomes information. So don't use the term information before data. First data come, then only information. So in a typical pattern recognition application, first raw data is processed, then only it will be converted into a form that is amenable for a machine to use. Mane hoise ki that to a form which machine can use and which machine can identify. Right? So that is,
yes, sir.
This is all for today's class. I hope whatever I discussed today, every point is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this session will be very interesting. Pattern recognition. We'll enjoy a lot if you give serious or if you be serious towards this lecture. Well, and I hope you have given the your roll number in the chat box also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that's all for
Sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can you share this